Well, I hope you guys are excited, as I am, to start the new canvas. A little bit of prep you will need before you even start painting, before you even select your colors. You will need a jug of water and a white cloth, normal jug of water. And the reason why I'm using a white cloth is sometimes you find because you're going to rub your canvas, you find that the fluff is giving off, and if it's any other color you struggle to get it out, or even worse, that your cloth's color is actually giving off on your canvas before you start it. So highly recommend just pure cotton or any kind of, preferably one without fluff, and you're gonna basically not soak your canvas, but definitely make a dam. It just makes the, especially acrylic paint, it makes the paint not be absorbed so quickly. And you want to give it like a clear, thin surface first, no matter what color you're using. I like to start off with white. It does, like, you know, it says it gives you the blank canvas feel. I like to start off with white, but you can start off with any color, especially the technique that we're going to do. And I would suggest that you actually watch part 1 first with the background. Do your background, and then, because I already show you the end result, see what kind of background you want with the end result. Because remember, we are our actual, depending if we're going to do a portrait or any other subject, we haven't decided on a subject yet, it will be pure black or navy blue or a very dark color. And it's not like we're working shades into it. It's not very, it's not going to be hard to do. It's going to be quite relaxing. It's almost like cutting a paper, and you just feel at ease, and you just can keep on. Anybody that does journaling or scrapbooking would understand what I'm talking about. It's that peacefulness, and this is why I enjoy these paintings so much, because you take away the stress factor of, am I doing it right? Do I need to work more shade in? Do I have the right perspective? All of that. Your pre-work is basically done for you, and you just enjoy painting, because it's basically a month of painting if you're doing it correctly. You want to have solid black colors in your image. So that all said and done, you're going to start off with whatever color you decide. I'll take you through the process, and let your background dry properly before you start drawing. But that is part of part 2. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I am certainly having a good day. It started snowing in Montreux, and looking forward to a weekend in Zermatt. So, ciao, till next time.